I did get a new bike, and as you can see, yeah, it's gonna be a little hard, but I got it and it's fixed, so it's like we just built it, not fixed, but just built it. And yeah, this is a new YouTube channel, and if you want to subscribe or something, no, I hope you subscribe. Just come and subscribe to my channel, and of course I'm new, and my channel name is Caleb Scott. So yeah, I hope you all really like this video, because I'm going to be doing some dirt bike vlogs and some like some bike stuff. Mostly when I get GoPro camera. But yeah, today we are going to be doing some of that. And I don't know, I want to put it like right there, but there's nothing to hold it up. Imagine that. Maybe right in. You know what? No. Okay. So yeah, this real nice bike. I got this real nice bike, and yeah, we're gonna be riding it. And I usually wouldn't ride my bike the first video, but just got it, so let's ride it out. Okay guys, I know this video has not been long. It's my first video, so only on this video will be me telling you to just check it out. For now, if you don't like it, move to a different channel. I'm not asking you to like I'm not making you like it, but